Hello everyone, welcome back to YouTube channel MJ Manjit, where we keep you updated with latest happening around the education world. In one of my previous video, I had informed you that CBSE is going to launch a certificate course, Digital Educator, in collaboration with UNESCO, Mahatma Gandhi Institute of Education for Peace. And many of my audience were asking how to register for this program. So don't worry, in this video I am going to explain you step by step how to register for this certificate course. Now let's start. Step 1. Go to Google and type Framer space. Framer space. Now the first result www.framerspace.com is the official website of this. Click on it. It will take you to the official website of Framerspace, and on the top you can see you have the option of login and sign up. Since you are coming on this website for the first time, you need to click on sign up. Once you click the sign up, it will open one form which you need to fill. It contains your age, password, then mail ID, country, state, school name, then I agree and click on sign up. So now let me fill this my details here. Till now I will click on sign up. So with this my account is created, but they are asking to give the feedback. So since you are using this for first time, no need to give the feedback. Close this form, and this unique ID, keep it with you in case you lose your ID and password. This will be required. They will also send this on your mail ID. Now if you go, this is your home page, and here you can see they have mentioned all the courses, and this is the tab for courses related to teacher. So you need to click on teachers. So let me click here. As you can see, there are many courses: the digital teacher English, the digital teacher Hindi, the this course. But our course is digital educator. So go down, and then you can see here the digital educator, a primer English, and this course is also available in Hindi, the digital educator, a primer Hindi. So choose according to your choice. For me, I will be choosing the English one. I'll click it here. Then this, they have given you the course detail, and at down you have enroll now. So click on enroll now button. Now here you are getting two options, self-directed and facilitated content. So don't click on self-directed. You need to select the facilitated content because they have the tie-up with CBSE. But for that you need to put invite code here. So for English, your invite code is CBSEDE. If you are selecting for Hindi, then invite code is H extra, H for Hindi. Otherwise, no need. Since mine one is English, so I will write CBSED and I'll click on enroll. So now here you can see you have successfully enrolled in the course. So now as you can see here we have this welcome page, welcome to digital educator. Then here course map they have given. So there everything is given here. And remember, this course will start on 24th July, and orientation program is also will be conducting on that. And remember, you need to fill this also here. Click on account. When you go on account, fill all your details here. Otherwise, they will be telling something. You can add your profile pic, other detail as well, and update your profile. That's all for today's video. I hope that you won't miss this wonderful opportunity and become a certified digital educator. If you face any type of problem or issue while registering for this course, feel free to message in comment section. I'll be happy to help you and guide you. If this video is helpful for you, don't forget to like and subscribe the channel and share it with your friends. We'll meet in another video with some more interesting information for you.
Till then, goodbye. Keep learning, keep shining.